Hi, Rena. Hope you're doing well. Normally I'd have our daily agenda up here, but your class period is going to look a little bit different from the others. So by this point, you should have read the article about Kakenya Natia or watched these videos. Today, and I put this in your classroom right now, is kind of the guided reading that goes with it, answering some questions that we'll use as part of our discussions in class to help think through why people work hard at trying to improve things not only for themselves but for other people. And then that our conversation is going to lead to what is some work that we can do or we can address to help improve the lives of people around us. And that's really going to lead us into our project. I'm not sure if we'll get to that point where I introduce it today. If we do, I'll put the project outline in the classroom for you to take a look at. But maybe something to think about. We have shortened class today, so it's going to be a little bit shorter day. But maybe something to think about for our project is each person in class is going to identify an issue they would like to see improved to increase the standard of living for others. So examples that students have done has been like decreasing the number of people living in poverty, making healthier foods more affordable, less screen time for young people, eliminating healthy habits, increasing parks and pools and other community developments. So those are just some things you can think about for that project that will likely start on Monday when we come back. So what I'd like for you to do is, if you haven't done it yet, read the article here and then answer these questions. And if we get to it in class time today, I'll put our project outline in and you can take a look at that as well. As always, if you have questions, please let me know. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.